Hi, this is George from Preston Audi. I'll be taking you on a 360-degree walk round of this approved used Audi Q5 S Line Plus with a 2.0 TDI 190 PS engine, S-tronic gearbox and only one previous owner. As this is an approved used Audi, it comes with 1 year warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. If you're interested in this beautiful car, please contact us on 01772 911 340. This car has xenon headlights for high quality illumination of the road ahead of you. As you can see, this Q5 has a large black radiator grille, giving it an intimidating look. These are the optional 21-inch diamond cut 5-spoke star design alloy wheels in gloss black, which really complement the finish of the car. The wing mirrors on this Q5 are folding, heated and electrically adjustable. Now moving into the rear interior of the car, you can see the rear seats, which are stylish yet also comfortable and supportive, perfect for longer journeys. There's also the foldable armrest that I just got out for even more comfort. This car has black window trim, giving the car a really sleek look. Now to open the boot, you can use the power operated tailgate by holding the middle button on the keys as I'm about to show. Perfect for when you have your hands full with shopping, for example. As you can see, this is a large 565 litre boot with plenty of space for your shopping, any suitcases or even golf clubs. The rear bench can also be split to fold down for even more space if you need. Personally, I think this Q5 is as slick as they come, with the beautiful metallic Suzuka grey finish and also the rear privacy glass. Moving into the front interior, you can see the stylish black leather upholstery on the front seats with S-line embossing. These seats are not only stylish but comfortable, as they are manually adjustable and have optional four-way lumbar support to help you find a comfortable driving position. The interior is then beautifully finished with the piano black inlays. That concludes the 360-degree walk round of this stunning Audi Q5. I'll now go into more detail on the technology and controls within this car. Here we have the controls for the folding, heated and electrically adjustable door mirrors. Moving on, we have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel finished in leather. The buttons on the left and right can be used to take a phone call without taking your hands off the wheel, and here are the pedal gear shifters too. Here we have the driver's information display, which can show different displays and is controlled using the buttons shown before. Moving on to the MMI Navigation System Plus. You can access satellite navigation to guide you from A to B, telephone connectivity to easily take calls on the go. We also have the DAB digital radio to listen to your favourite stations in high quality, Bluetooth connectivity to listen to your favourite content via your phone, and you can also access the vehicle settings menu too. Moving down, we have a deluxe free zone climate control, so you and your passengers can adjust the temperature for your own liking. You can also control the heated seats here. Just below that, we have the S-tronic gear shifter, easy to use MMI controls, and last of all, there is plenty of storage under the central armrest. As I pan round now, you really get a better view of those piano black inlays, which really nicely finish the interior of this car. That concludes this walk round and interior video of this stunning Audi Q5 finished in Suzuka grey. If you'd like to arrange a test drive, a viewing or request a personalised finance quote, please give us a call on 01772 911 340. Thank you for watching this video.